wa nyumbani.
Higini apari nyaka ne chak apise mag sirikal macholo dongruok e kiewo ma Busia kod Malaba OSBP johala e kar dak kata kuonde makono kwayo tend Afrika ma ugwe manitie boma ma Arusha Tanzania mondo bigi chik matayo ohala e kind pinje kendo golo chike ma ok otenore gi chenro mag ohala. Kagiloso e romo ma okelo kanyakla johala Busia kod jood bura e riwruok mar pinje Afrika ma ugwe yala ywago yulo e chenro mar gedo e boma ma Busia kata obedo ni nonro mar tayo gedo makamano no chaki higni 5 mokalo.
We have taken note of the delays that exist at the border points. They are not delays out of malice or whatsoever. It's because of the infrastructure in place, 2, the processes that are involved that are not yet very much automated, 3, there are also different layers of regulatory frameworks. So I think we need a harmonization of these frameworks so that it is easier for our traders to clear their goods when they are crossing the borders.
The exercise has been imekuwa ya maana sana kwetu. Number 1, we are able to move goods across the border without so much hindrance. The speed of clearance has improved. The security has improved. The trading community is now structured. We are able to pay fees in a better way. We are able to do our businesses profitably. There is no fear of confiscation of goods. The business has been smooth, it has been good, courtesy of the one-stop border post and its operations.
There is a need for expansion of our border because even today I met a challenge with the disabled people. Those people are using these hand skirts to the customs yard because the route we are using to cross the border is very narrow for human beings and those who are using food. So we're supposed to have those people, and we are advocating for implementers, any implementers who can come and assist us for expansion of our border.
Mabuse prochiko ochiwne gi obok bang' tieko tiegruok mamiyo githegore kod timbe mayombe. Okang' makamano biro bang' yangore ni nitiere medruok mag timbe mag anjao e pacho